Imagine you're facing a tricky data manipulation problem. A pesky issue is preventing you from appending specific text to a field in your database. This problem requires a clever solution to ensure that the text is either added or replaced as needed. Now, let's delve into the solution for this perplexing problem. Remember, the key lies in using the specific code snippet provided. Focus on the snippet that involves the $replaceAll operation. This operation is crucial for finding and replacing the text within the target field. Pay close attention to how the find field is structured to ensure successful text replacement. This method, utilizing $getField and $regex find, allows for precise text manipulation as needed. Keep this in mind as you tackle similar challenges in your own projects. In summary, we've explored a smart solution to the append or replace text problem within a database field. By utilizing the $replaceAll operation effectively, you can overcome similar hurdles with finesse. Remember to adapt and apply this method thoughtfully in your own projects. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Happy coding!